Okay, students, we will be learning today one of the important aspects of our day-to-day life, that is profit and loss. You all are aware of the subject, you have learned since your 6th standard. Therefore, the things are not very new to you. Let us revise and let us learn in detail about this lesson. See, before we move on to the lessons, no, the learning objectives are what? Mainly, there are 4 key terms in this lesson. That is CP, means cost price, SP means selling price, profit and loss. If you have concrete idea about these 4 aspect, then it will be subject will be very clear to you. What do you understand by cost price? Cost price means the word itself is telling the meaning of it. Cost means a price at which something is purchased, or someone is buying something, paying some money, that is called cost price. You are paying something to buy something is called cost price. What do you understand by selling price? When an item is there with you, you want to sell it out. The price at which you are selling an item is called selling price. Now, in between the transaction, someone has purchased something and he wants to sell it out. In between this transaction, you get some amount. Sometimes you get more amount than what you have paid. That time you get this particular word, profit. That means when the selling price is more than cost price, that time a trader get profit. But it doesn't happen always that selling price will be more. Of course, every trader intend to gain more money, but always it doesn't happen in the trading. Therefore, sometimes a seller has to sell the item with the less money than he has purchased. So sometimes the cost price become more than the selling price. That time a trader incur loss. So I hope you have understood. Cost price means a price at which a buyer purchase things. A selling price means a price at which some item is sold. Profit means when the selling price is more than cost price, that time profit. When the selling price is less than cost price, that time loss. Or the cost price is more than selling price, that time loss. Okay. Now move on to profit percentage. Profit percentage means out of 100 how much you have gained, how much you have gained the profit. That is what. Loss percentage means out of 100 how much you have incurred loss. So this thing we learn first. See, profit percentage, there is a formula. See, profit percentage or loss percentage always related to CP, cost price, because based on the cost price you have paid, you will calculate whether you have gained profit or whether you have incurred loss. So profit percentage or loss percentage always will be related to CP, mind it, in both the case. For profit percentage, what will be the formula? Profit divided by CP into 100. Loss percentage, what will be the formula? Loss divided by CP into 100. Both the time denominator will be CP. Loss percentage, loss will be the numerator, and both the time 100 also will be multiplied. Could you understand me? So profit percentage is equal to profit divided by CP into 100%, and loss percentage is loss divided by CP into 100%. Okay, now we'll learn another 2 formula. Then we can solve at least that lesson 1 of profit and loss, all the sums very nicely. CP when SP and the profit percentage is given, CP when SP and the loss percentage is given, SP when CP and the profit percentage is given, SP when CP and the loss percentage is given. I will go, there are 2 formula actually. If you know the 2 formula, then you will be able to solve. See, CP, when the SP is given to you, how will you find out CP? CP is equal to 100 by 100 plus R. Remember this formula, 100 divided by 100 plus R into SP. In your book, the formula is given in different way. I will tell you that. Wait. See, CP is equal to 100 divided by 100 will be the numerator. 100 divided by R. This R is the profit percentage. When it is a plus sign, that time R will be the profit percentage. When it is a minus sign, R will be the loss percentage. Could you understand? CP, when the profit percentage is given, that time CP will be what? 100 will be the numerator, 100 plus R will be the denominator, whole multiplied by SP. Conversely, if you see this formula, if you keep SP there and this thing if you transfer there, then that will form what? 100 plus R by 100 into Cp. SP is equal to 100 plus R by 100 into Cp. This is the formula it is given in your book. This formula is given in this way. How it is so? See, 100 is the denominator, 100 by 100 plus R by 100, isn't it? 100 will cancel to become 1, so R by 100 into Cp. You can remember as Sp is equal to 1 plus R by 100 into Cp. Either you remember this or you remember these things are very easy. And from when the plus sign is there, that time R is the profit percentage. From this formula you can find out Cp also. Cp is equal to, this will go that side, okay, and that will take the form of this actually 100 by 100 plus R into Sp. That is why I said to you, learn this formula. When Sp is given to Cp, Cp is equal to 100 by 100 plus R into Sp, okay, and learn this formula as well. Sp is equal to 100 plus R. This denominator will become numerator. Cp time 100 will be the numerator and Sp time 100 plus R will be the numerator. Could you understand? The other thing will be multiplied when R is equal to profit percentage. Okay. When R is equal to loss percent, that time Cp will be, I said you know, this plus will become minus. 100 by 100 minus R into Sp. And Sp will become 100 minus R. This will be reversed that. 100 minus R by 100 into Cp. Okay. So, 4 formula you need to know. That in this lesson, what are the formulas you are supposed to know? Once again, I will just conclude telling you only the formulae. Profit percentage is equal to profit by Cp into 100, first formula. Loss percentage is equal to loss by Cp into 100, second formula. Third formula, when you need to find out Cp when Sp and the profit percentage given, that time 100 by 100 plus R into Sp. When you want to find out Sp when Cp is given, Sp is equal to 100 plus R by 100 into Cp when the profit percentage is given. Now, say sixth formula, fifth formula is what? When R is equal to loss percentage, that time Cp will be 100 by 100 minus R into Sp. Sp will be 100 minus R by 100 into Cp. See what are the things are there, no? In case of Sp it will be reverse. So Cp, if you remember, no, 100 will be the numerator, all the formula you can say. 100 by 100 plus R in case of profit and 100 by 100 minus R in case of loss. If you remember, you will be easily remembering other formula. Go through all this formula. You have already learnt it many a times. I have solved it. If you go through once, then it will be very easy to you. Okay, then we will solve some of the sums from your exercise. Things will be more clear to you.